The surge in home buying can only be described as remarkable. We're calling it the Great American Move, and I'm going to tell you why. Welcome to my channel, Real Estate with Doc. Our mission is to give you the most up-to-date current housing information so that when you're ready to buy or sell a house, you'll make the best decision possible. Today, I'm talking about the Great American Move, the surge in home buying. And don't just take my word for it, I've got several charts to show you. The first one talks all about purchase applications. As you'll see, pre-COVID, purchase applications were hovering around 10%. Then COVID hit, we went into the red for several weeks. But once the nation started reopening, check out what's happened since mid-May, and it continues to increase. The numbers are crazy. 1 week, above 30%. So why this huge increase in home buyers? There's a lot of reasons. One of them, people were pent up. They may have had plans before COVID hit to look at houses, and then the nation shut down and they couldn't. So pent up demand is part of it. But another really big part is remote working. People have learned that you don't have to live in a noisy, unsafe city in order to work. This chart shows that a whopping 37% of buyers are moving because of remote work ability. 37%, that's incredible. And what that means is they're not moving into the middle of the city to do that remote working. They're moving out to the suburbs. Of course, there's a lot of other reasons people are moving, particularly since our priorities have changed. Before, home was a place to rest your head between going to work and school and the gym and vacations. People mainly just stopped in, had a meal, and left again. Now our priorities have changed. Now, with remote working, people are needing a home office. If you've ever tried to work out of your dining room table, just doesn't work out. So home offices are huge. Another big thing is the virtual learning for students. Kids now need a private, quiet area to do their learning and their homework. So they need bigger bedrooms or other spaces. But in addition to interior space, people are looking for more outdoor space. They want a safe place where their kids can play, pets can run. They can just enjoy the fresh air and barbecue, entertain. Outdoor space is becoming a huge reason for people to move. Now, if you don't believe me about this move from the cities to the suburbs, let me show you one more chart. This chart shows the massive differences that are going on. In Chicago, listings for high-end homes have increased over 46%. In Indianapolis, over 40%, and all the way down the line. And the reasons people are giving for moving: safety, life changes, personal comfort, employment, and financial opportunities. All the things we previously talked about. The move is massive. So it's a great market. I hope you'll consider it, particularly because our interest rates are at a 50-year low. You can afford more house than your parents or your grandparents. Your house payments on a $300,000 home are $2,000 per month less than they would have been in the 1980s. So if you're looking to buy a home or sell your existing home, give me a call. I'd love to help you out. I hold a real estate broker's license in Arizona and in California, and I'm an attorney. But if I can't personally help you, I'll find a credentialed broker for you. Real estate transactions are some of the most important transactions in people's lives, and leaving it up to somebody you find on the internet or who sent you a flyer or Uncle Joe recommended isn't a good idea. Let me find you a qualified person to assure a successful outcome, and I'll even coach you through your transaction and answer your questions. So thanks for joining me today. You'll see on the screen you can check out more featured home videos or more market updates. And hit the subscribe button. Come back often and see me. My videos come out every couple of days. Most important, thanks for joining me.